Hello everyone. So in my previous video we talk about part 1 class basic things, and part 2 it was all about constructor also basic things, and one more thing which I would like to add over here before we go ahead, that we can have an empty constructor also. How that we will check first. Suppose if I have a class and if I write student and colon, okay, and I'm not writing any constructor, okay, and m1, and as I said it should have one default parameter which is self, and I'm writing one print statement, uh, hello world or something like this, okay, hello world, okay, and I'm done with that function also, and name of that function is m1. I'm creating one object x1 equal to student. That is the object I have created first of all, and using s1 I am calling actually m1 function also. Okay, so let's check the output what exactly we are getting till here at least. Control S F5. Okay, hello world, it is printing. Okay, fine, no issue. But suppose how to check that empty constructor is created or not. So I will write print command, and we have one inbuilt function that is dir. So I will write that also, and then I will write our class name. So as per this example, the class name is what? A student. Now control S and F1. See, we are getting all the description of that class. See here, you all can see there is underscore underscore in it. That means just like your Java, Python also create a empty constructor on its own if you are not defining. Okay, so that is what exactly I wanted to tell you all. And now coming to the main part, that is how many parameters can constructor have. So obviously there is no limit, like you can have one parameter, no parameter, zero parameter, whatever. So quickly I will just modify in this only, underscore underscore init, underscore underscore and self. And suppose I am writing only one message hello world in that. Okay, and we know if it is constructor, so whenever you are creating object, that time automatically it will call constructor, so no need of this statement also. Control S and F5. See, we are getting the hello world. But as I said, okay, like you are interested in checking the value of self, what exactly it is storing, so we can write that also. Print self, okay, that is actually interesting, and F5. See, hello world, that is normal output. What it is storing, it is storing the main underscore underscore main underscore underscore dot student object at particular memory location. Okay, so obviously constructor does not have any parameter except self, and the self contains current object address. That is what we are getting over here right now. And in my next video, we will talk about non-parameterized constructor as well as the parameterized constructor. Thank you everyone.